Allow me to share with you three simple gestures to show kindness to others. Number one, be a reflection. Start with a smile. You know that simple smile can set someone's mood the entire day. Number two, acknowledge people. Yung parang isang thank you po or good morning. It will go a long way. Number three, the 1 second rule. Before reacting sa mali ng iba, give them 1 second of grace. Baka pagod lang. Baka hindi lang maganda ang araw niya. Please be kind to everyone. Kahit sa masungit mong boss, sa madaldal mong asawa, sa chismosa mong kakilala, o sa crew ng isang fast food chain na nagkamali ng pagkain na ibigay sa'yo. At pakiramdam mo ay nasa iyo na ang lahat ng karapatang magalit dahil sa 99 pesos chicken na binili mo. To show kindness to everyone, start with micro gesture. Hindi ito kailangang maging grand. Tandaan, the authentic positivity is not about ignoring the rain. It's about dancing in it, or at least sharing your payong with someone else.